Download source.net.
Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is just a quick guide for anyone who wants to overclock their controller. Yeah, that's actually a thing. So it'll allow you to change your response time. It doesn't work on all controllers, but the Xbox controllers and the PlayStation controllers seem to work fine. I've even got it to work on a generic controller. It registers as an Xbox 360 controller. It worked on that. The response time goes from about 4 ms to 1 ms, so it is noticeable, and surprisingly it works really well. So let's jump straight into it. So the first thing you need to do is head on over to the GitHub page. This is it here, Lord of Mice. Just click go to file, then download this file here. It's the second one on the list. I'll leave a link to in the description to go straight to the page anyway. So we'll just download that file. Download. Okay, that's done. Now we can just extract that file wherever you want to put it's fine. I'm just going to do it into this folder. Okay, now once you've extracted it, go into driver, and here you will see a little file called setup.exe. Okay, so there we have it. Now here it's going to be set automatically to mice, so just in the top left corner change that to all, and it will register all the other devices on your computer, or the ones that are compatible with this. And you'll see here Xbox One controller. If you've got a different one, PlayStation controllers register a bit different, but you can see in the child name section that it's actually an input device. This is the Xbox One here. You'll know what it is when you see it. Anyway, it is a bit hard to read, but that's just the way it is. So to install it, go to child's name, click your input device. So I'm using the Xbox One. Then click install service. That's done. Now here, change the rate to 1000. Click install service. Then tick files on filter on device, then click install service. Now once you've done all those steps, just unplug your controller. It'll disappear from the list. Plug it back in and it will reappear. And this section here, the polling section and the interval, will update. So this will have changed to 1000 and this will have changed to 1. So if it doesn't do that, you've done it wrong and you need to repeat the process. So that's it, as simple as that. You don't need to leave this running in the background. It is worth checking every now and then if you notice your controller is getting worse. Windows updates might have reset it, but it does run by itself without any problems, and it makes quite a lot of difference. So just check back from time to time and see if it's still actually showing that it's changed down to 1 ms, and that's all you need to do. Anyway, if you find that useful, don't forget to subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.